The Pakistani military said on Tuesday it has completely flushed out the militants from the whole Bajaur Agency, one of the 7 tribal regions of northwest Pakistan bordering Afghanistan.
We have concluded operations up to the Afghan border. We think the Bajaur operations have now more or less ended as dedicated military operations. People who are militants who are getting support from here, like Fakir Muhammad, he's been dismantled. He was a representative of the TTP. There was Al-Qaeda, which has been dismantled. They don't exist out here anymore. And the connectivity with Afghanistan, which has been dismantled. Now, this was also the reason why they were able to push out things from this Bajaur Agency into others.
Success in Bajaur was made possible after the offensive launched by the contingent of Army and the Frontier Corps, backed by jet fighters of Pakistan Air Force and gunship helicopters, killed or wounded more than 2,500 militants in the region since 2008. The local people who were caught in the crossfire between the militants and the army and have been the target of frequent drone attacks welcome the news.
We are here at the hub, the main nerve center of the Taliban terrorists of Bajaur. There was a time when Khar, the capital, was under complete siege, and we had to send more forces to connect. From there it has come now to, we have cleared Damadola, where no soldier before had stepped in. So this is a great opportunity.
US drone strikes in Pakistan's tribal regions have so far killed about 935 people, most of them civilians. The army first mounted an operation in Bajaur in August 2008 and claimed victory in February last year, only for violence to return when their focus switched to militants in Swat and South Waziristan. However, experts believe the current military operations in Bajaur are believed to be the first serious offensive against the militants. Military operations in Bajaur Agency has forced more than 300,000 people to flee their homes and take shelter in IDP camps.
We are happy that the army has cleared our area of all sorts of militants. Now we can go back to our homes. We demand that the people affected by the operation should be compensated.
Gaining full control over Bajaur agencies brought joy for those displaced by the offensive. They now hope for a lasting peace in the region and demand early compensation from the government for their collateral damages. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.